So we're here today to launch the new book. It's the Routledge Handbook of AI and Literature. And it brings together 35 new, exciting ideas about that incredible intersection between AI and literature. I'm going to kick off with a really warm welcome to Bristol for those of you who've travelled. I know a lot of you have come from a very long way. In a moment, we're going to hear from a couple of the book's contributors.
It speaks to the AI generating human-sounding text and impersonating a human voice in its output.
I think the book does this amazing thing where it has all these different minds in different ways coming at the topic.
We've got computer scientists, we've got artists, poets, some of the leading names in AI science.
But this generative AI seems to have put the world in a spin.
There's never been a better time to look at AI. It's all around us now. It's really taken hold. The book deals with many different aspects of how AI intersects with literature in the way that it has had its origins right in the past in the stories we tell, right through to the science fiction tales that we get today.
They could do things humans cannot, speed up the processes that we find so mundane and time-consuming in organisations.
One of the reasons why I think science fiction is so important is that it helps us understand the stories that we tell about artificial intelligence. We talk about technologies as if they're neutral things, but they're surrounded by stories and discourse.
And we really thought there was an important experiment, I think, to be had in another transformative moment.
I look at creativity in AI, and that includes the impact on the cultural and creative sector.
I asked AI the same 12 questions. Where is your heart kept? What would you ask yourself of your own process? Those 12 questions that I asked myself, I asked of AI.
I think there's always something really exciting about getting together with people from different disciplines and different minds.
AI is terrifying and exciting. There are poets here who are working with AI who, like me, see it potentially as a threat, but also as something to be played with.
It is really fascinating, interesting time to be working in this field. And there's actually a sense of kind of being at the heart of things.
Well, I think it's really the first of its kind to explore this really interesting intersection between AI and literature, not just across time, but across genres, across ideas, across different disciplines. And I think that's what's most exciting.